Santa Claus brought us. Well, you know what this means. Check him out. He's in there working on a trailer. We'll take a look at it in a minute. Definitely need to invest in an air bottle jack for taking these tires off. That little thing got the job done, but taking the tires or the wheels off, they're going to Adam. He wanted them off because they're clear coated. He's got to sand them all down to polish them. And then definitely can see it here. He did get this, all the trim done, ladder, everything done in one day. So we can start polishing on the sides now. Not gonna be a lot of entertaining content probably in the next week or so, but we'll keep you updated. Daryn did go to Rocket yesterday, picked up the new car. It is tucked in safe and sound at his place. Now we gotta go to the other side, take the other two off. She definitely got the lean to her to get it high enough to get the tires off. Man. Air over hydraulic jack is getting ordered this week for sure. Who knew changing lenses could be so difficult?
Cut that a little bit more so that stuff is cut a whole bit.
Pain in the butt. We got new lenses because these are all scratched and scuffed up. Starting off with a bang. And I started on the trailer today. It's Wednesday afternoon, about 4:15.
What?
Getting a little close to the door there.
Oh, if it's got clearance, it's got clearance. Well, the name is Clarence.
Okay, Clarence.
Thompson.
Well, it's Thursday, the 23rd. Doug is cutting some coin floor to put in that cabinet. I've been here all day polishing this thing and waxing it. Tape line up is done. Not a lot of exciting stuff going on, but progress is happening right now. To get the corn floor in, that'll go back in. And the Blackstone will go back in. Chance to take advantage of the incredible new Buick prices. We got the liners, or the shelves put in for this. Dave is, I think, picking up this door tonight or finishing it up. So we'll have that. Daryn picked up our new rugs the other day. So from door to door, we'll be covered in rugs. They're new. We are making some progress, but just slow going.
We dive deep into your challenges and develop solutions that drive measurable outcomes.
Daryn's messing with silicone again.
That sucks. That worked.
Hopefully we have our door this weekend.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
He sent me pictures of it last night. They were painting it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's painted. I just don't know, like, if they got to buff it or.
any finish work they got to do to it.
Santa Claus brought us a late Christmas present yesterday. It's what the inside of a shock dyno looks like. Got it mounted. Accessory is going to go there. Got to mount that. It's getting there. These two panels have to be polished. And then from the panel with the green tape, this way down has to be waxed. And then this side will be done. Long, slow process. Well, it's Monday, the 27th. We got our roll-up door, finally. Got it back Friday. It's been curing under the heater all weekend, but got our mounts in, got our roller in. I'm getting ready to wire up our inside lighting. Daryn just took the two edge pieces to trim them up a little bit, and we're gonna put this thing in tonight.
That nut's gonna be right in the fucking way.
One step forward, two steps back. Got the roll-up door in. The handle of it won't clear this, so it won't go all the, won't clear this. Catches right there. So we have to cut the back wall out, which we've done. There's a tube there we got to cut out. Slide this back an inch, and we'll be good to go. It's always something. Working and cutting the bar out now. You want to talk about a nightmare? That is a wiring nightmare. They just got them soldered together with nothing over them. It's a wonder the dang trailer didn't burn down.
And taped.
Taped?
Taped. No wire nuts.
Daryn's gonna make a panel to tub that out tonight, so that'll go in tomorrow, so it'll look nice, and then the dyno will slide right in there. And we got our door in. She's looking good. Few choice words and she's in. Opens up really nice. On the last S&S, it would catch here, and it was a son of a gun to get open sometimes. It just rolls up on itself in there like that. Nothing's been done polishing wise. You gonna drill all them?
Well, I guess I'm gonna have to. Or
put them in a drill press?
That's how I thought it'd be easier.
Yeah. Nothing's been done on this side since the other day. I still gotta polish them two panels, wax from here that away, that tape line down. Daryn did pick up her wheels. They're ready to go back on. They look dang good. But before we put them on, we're going to change all these caps. Can't see the oil level. Some of them are leaking. Oil needs changed. One of them's brand new that was on there. And then I got us 3 more to put on there, so you'll be able to see the oil level. Countdown to the first race is about 5 weeks away, I think. Got a long way to go and a short time to get there, as usual. Alright, we got all kinds of motor parts sitting here. Daryn's going to take home tomorrow and start putting in the new car.
So that is a 438, not our original one. We acquired this one in the fall, about 350 laps on it. That's going in the new car. That one was brand new at the beginning of the season last year from Durham, so that's a good piece there. Got headers to go on it. Be race season before we know it. Well, he got his panel made, put in today. So that's done. That looks real nice. U-bolts. Nothing's changed here. Someday I'll get back on that project. When Daryn stops adding to the list that's got to be done right now. Time's a ticking. We'll be back at it tomorrow night. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. Not a lot of exciting action going on the last week or so, but making progress. If you like what you're seeing, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think. We will catch you all later.